Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Authenticate as an admin and connect to the Gateman device over LAN or a secure console. Once connected, export or back up the current configuration so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have the current password handy and a stable connection. Without those, you cannot change credentials safely. Next, open the Device Web UI or SSH session and navigate to the Authentication or User Management area to begin. You now perform the core change. Locate users or security in the Gateman interface and choose the admin account. Enter the current password to verify your authority, then type a new strong password. Use at least 12 characters with mixed case, numbers, and symbols for resilience. Once you enter and confirm the new password, enable any available password policies and session timeouts to improve security. Save or apply the change, and wait for the device to acknowledge success before moving on to propagation steps. You finish by validating the change. Log out of the Gateman UI and log back in with the new password to confirm it works. Then update any automation, API keys, or third-party integrations that relied on the old credentials so services don't fail. Make sure to store the new password in your secure vault. If something goes wrong and you cannot authenticate, perform the device's recovery steps. Use console recovery mode or restore from the backup you exported earlier to regain access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.